Yes. This is me balling on a budget, you know? When you can't always afford Sephora, you just have to go to Dollar Tree, get that $1.25 makeup. Because why not? Yes. Hey you guys, it's your girl Bethany here, back with another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing this makeup look that I have here using nothing but Dollar Tree products. Perfect. Yeah, like I think I saw one other person do this challenge and it actually turned out pretty well for her, but I don't know for me. It's like a bad car accident and you can't look away. Like, this is really bad, you guys. This is the look. This is what you guys are gonna see at the end. So if you guys want to see make a fool out of myself and how I got this look, keep watching. Get your popcorn, your drink, your pillow, make yourself comfortable because this is going to be a gong show. This was just all fun and games, nothing serious. So yeah, keep watching. So, for today, I am going to be doing a makeup look using nothing but products that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Your girl's a little bit nervous. She's really nervous. The brand that Dollar Tree uses is LA Colors, as well as, I believe it's called Ariposa. So those are the two brands that I saw at Dollar Tree. Yeah, I just had a flashback as, like, I was kind of telling myself, why am I doing this? Okay, yeah, I really don't know why. So everything that I actually purchased from Dollar Tree was under $20, y'all. $17 and some change to be exact. I don't know, like, what could $17 buy you from Sephora? I can't tell you. Please pray for me and my skin. So yes, let's get to it. They did not have any primer, so I'm not gonna use my primer. The whole idea of this video is just to use the products that I purchased and nothing else. I don't want to cheat. The only thing that I'm going to be using is my own eyelash glue and my own brushes because some of these products didn't come with any brush. So what I'm going to be using is the LA Colors liquid makeup. This is their liquid foundation and this is in tan. Okay, so try this out. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. So you guys know me, I always have to spray my bottles, I always have to spray my brushes and my blend. Yeah, you got what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna spray it. Okay. Is this primer? I don't get it. This is foundation, right? Liquid makeup. And then it's speaking to me in Spanish. I don't know what to say. I don't get it. Maybe it oxidizes. Or not. I'm trying to be very positive here. Maybe it has to settle. Yeah, that's it. It has to like settle. Like once you like, yeah, once you do some, yeah, it's yeah, I feel like it has to settle. Oh, my forehead. Why did I put this much? Jesus. Oh my God. Am I gonna actually post this video though, to be honest, you guys? Am I? This is giving me anxiety. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is so bad. Okay, no, we can't give up. We gotta do this. We're just gonna move on. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move on. Next, I'm gonna take the LA Color pressed powder. This is also in tan. It's gonna look like this. Maybe if I'm just gonna really press it into my face just to make sure nothing is moving or clumping. Okay, next, I don't have any concealers or anything like that because they just didn't have. So I'm gonna be taking the Pro Powder by Araposa that they have. It looks like this. This is the closest thing to like a banana color. I'll take my... I'm going to actually use this more as like a highlight. Okay, I'm not even good. No. I was about to say something, but God, he caught my tongue. Cute. Okay, so yeah, that's enough. I'm done. So that's that. I'm gonna let it sit for as long as it can. Next, I'm gonna go in with my contour. It's more closer to my shade. I'm not sure if it'll do anything, but we will try and see. I mean, it's a warm color. No, it's not bad. It's actually not bad. This product I could keep just for a rainy, stormy day. Is bringing life and color to my face, which is what I'm trying to do. Trying to revive myself. Because right now, this look is close to The Walking Dead. You guys, this look actually might come together. It just might. In Jesus' name. So next I'm gonna go in with the eyebrow kit that I got. But it looks just like this. So it has a black, dark brown, light brown, and then a lighter brown. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera just so that it goes a lot faster. If you guys haven't already seen my video where I show you guys step by step how I do my eyebrows, I will put a description. I don't even know what those things are called. But that little eye or something in a circle that just goes like that. Yep, got it. Or is it up here or up here? It will be somewhere up here. You guys can click on it and watch that video just to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna do it off screen and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. This is actually not... Whoop. It's not bad. It didn't take me that long to fill them in. This is actually not bad. This is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, for $1. So now I'm gonna actually take off this powder. Next, I'm going to bronze up my face to give my face more color and warmth. So using this bronzer here, it did come with a little... I don't know what I would be using this for, but it came with it. This is actually not bad, you guys. It's not bad. I think we're getting somewhere. I think we're done with the face. So now we're gonna move on to the eyes. So I actually did buy 2 palettes from this place. I picked up the wrong one. I actually wanted the one with all the browns and blacks, just the neutral colors. But I guess I put that one down by an accident instead of this one. So I'm probably not gonna use this. I did purchase this one here. So it comes with a gold, blue, and green color. And I'm going to work with this one instead. Okay, I'm gonna take the gold, and what I'm going to do is mostly focus it on my crease line here. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just trying to make up a look for y'all. So what I'm gonna do is actually tape the sides of my eye. Now, taking my own brush, I'm just going to blend it upwards. I'm gonna take this green right here and just place it just only on my crease line. Next, I'm just gonna take the, let's say pink, Bethany. Wow, I'm gonna take the blue here and then just cover the rest of my lid. Now I'm just gonna take the same blue and just work it on my waterline, but I'm just gonna stop midway. So they actually did have liquid eyeliner. I feel like this look would look very good with a winged eyeliner, so I'm probably just gonna do that. Next, we're gonna move on to mascara by LA Colors. Okay, well, clearly there's nothing in this. So they did sell some falsies at Dollar Tree as well. I'm actually gonna put the lashes on off screen because I have to measure them and cut them. Once I'm done this, we'll go and move on to lips, and then I think that's it for the look. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so I guess lips, they had no lip liner. Okay, so what I'm going to do is bounce back to my eyebrow kit and take the darkest brown, so right here. I'm gonna line my lip with that. So now I'm gonna use this. It's a nude lipstick. Perfect. I think your girl did something. She did it. Yo, okay you guys, so this is the, I can't even look at myself. So this is the final look. There's just so much I have to say about this. Well, one, the foundation is crap. But I'm not expecting anything better because everything here again was $1.25 or less. It's making me look super oily. It's not even my skin tone. I'm actually breaking out right now. It's actually clumping all over my skin, my face. Like my lip right now is paint. I can't move my lip at all because it's look at this. Yeah. I think I got paint on my lips, you guys. The only thing that I kind of like is the eyeshadow, and I just feel like the foundation itself is just kind of ruining it. But it's a challenge. This is the look. I hope you guys appreciate me trying. I don't even know if I want you guys to try this look out. Like always, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. Oh my god, that's who I look like! The girl from Friday! Yo! Okay, this is a look. This is a look. This is something. I did something with this, you guys. Don't be jealous.